How to find recipes in slime RNG. So if you want to find the recipes, it should just be stated what specific map it's gonna be or what area. So go ahead to your crafting area here in this zone, heaven zone. This should be heaven technically. You go ahead and take a look, read this, find the recipe in cave zone, let's say the first one. So what you're gonna do is go to the cave zone. You could go ahead there manually, or you could go use the teleport option, which is going to be found here in the player, and then the teleporter. You can unlock that and you will get a teleporter option. So use the teleporter into the cave. So it's gonna be the cave area. So the cave, go press on the cave, teleport, and here you can find the recipe. It should just be around, but for the cave, it will be found right here behind these vines. And you just go ahead and hold and claim the recipe. So you can see new recipe unlock, and we can just go back to the crafting area, and we can now craft a secret slime. So you can craft the secret slime by using the specific, I can't see anything. So these specific slimes, you just go ahead and press on select. So you choose whatever slime you want to get rid of. Not really get rid of, but sacrifice to get a better slimy. And you just go ahead and press on create. Now you get a little tycoon and you get Mr. Crafty over here. Then you can craft as much as you want, I suppose, but if you want, we can show you another example just to be sure. There should be one here in the jungle. Actually, we're gonna go ahead and equip that guy first since we're gonna rebirth soon. Now, one in the jungle zone. Then let's go ahead inside the jungle and we're gonna go ahead and find it. Let's see here. We're gonna zoom out and it's right there. It should have a little highlight on the recipe. Claim it, go back to heaven, and just have it right here. So just go ahead and read whatever zone it is: Mushroom Zone, Redwood, Candyland, Crystal, Graveyard, and Mushroom Village at the end. But that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.